Nasunog yung marshmallow ko, guys. Tinanggal ko yung first layer. Tapos magsusunog na naman ako, guys. Oh, it's a beautiful one there, Nicholas. Look, look, look.
I want a bite.
Wow, this is a good marshmallow. How is it? It's good? More bites if you want. Nom nom nom. Okay, gonna burn more. You have more bird to burn?
Oh, that's
It's good? How is it? Don't get closer to the fire, otherwise it's gonna burn. That's why mommy make yeah, like this high.
This?
Yeah. If you get closer, then it's gonna make a fire, right? How is it now? It's good now?
oh, damn.
Yeah, see? If you get closer, then it's make easily to get fire. Again, guys, you see, guys. Okay, you wanna bite first my marshmallow? Yeah, that's a good one. It's a toasted. Oh, you finished all my marshmallow. Yeah, I don't even try my marshmallow. Hi, come on, come on, give me my marshmallow. So good.
Mom, it's so crispy that it's like gum.
So good. Nicholas, we were doing eating a marshmallow outside. Oh, it's gonna fall. Still frozen the lake. Eat your marshmallow now. It's good.
Oh.
Oh, wow, that is delicious. Is it crunchy? Wow.
So crispy.
I hear that this is crunchy.